Hello my dear students, welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the preparation strategy for financial accounting paper number 6 of CMA Inter, which is for 100 marks. See, what are the areas or the chapters we need to focus more and what are the areas we can avoid so that we can maximize our efforts to get good marks. So that will be the main criteria of this video. So see, I have prepared a document where I have given the list of chapters which comes under A category and which comes under B category and last priority C category. So first A category chapters. So you see fundamentals and introduction to financial accounting. This is the first chapter. So this chapter is very important chapter. You see the maximum weightage is 25 marks. 20 to 25 marks you can get it from this chapter. So I can say the examiner's favorite chapter is first chapter, because in first chapter there are number of topics like cash flow, cash book. So last time also they have asked one question relating to cash book and preparation of trial balance question and rectification of errors and capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. So like that, MCQs can be asked as well as the descriptive question. See, last time around 23 marks they have asked from this chapter. So imagine the people or the students who left this chapter. So 23 marks, and that too very easy chapter. Fundamentals and introduction to accounting, introduction to financial accounting, very easy chapter with little bit of efforts, minimum time you can get maximum marks. So please don't miss chapter number 1. Each and every topic of chapter number 1 is very important. The last time 3 MCQs asked from this chapter. So 3 into 2, 6 marks MCQs they have asked, and one question relating to preparation of cash book they have asked along with BRS, and one question they have asked for preparation of trial balance also, 7 marks they have asked. So this time also definitely you will see one question, 2 questions from first chapter and 3 or 4 MCQs from first chapter. So around 20 to 25 marks you can definitely expect from this chapter. So as a preparation strategy, first you should complete chapter number 1. So in chapter number 1, don't waste much time on theory. Like for example, what is company, what are the features of the company, what are the types of share capital. Don't spend too much time on those. So first to go and prepare cash book sums, and then trial balance, and then rectification of errors, BRS, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. First try to finish those topics, then read theory once, more than sufficient. So this is category A chapter, first chapter, very important. Please don't skip it. Next, preparation of financial statements. See, in your study material, if you see, there is one separate topic called preparation of financial statements. In that there are 3 chapters are there. What are those? Preparation of financial statements of commercial organization, preparation of financial statements of non-profit organization, preparation of financial statements from incomplete records. Like that, this is section C. You see this section C. Preparation of financial statements of commercial organizations, non-profit organizations, and incomplete records. I think this is very important chapter. Last time, see, around 30 marks they have asked from this chapter. And if you see preparation of financial statements of commercial organizations, last time 5 MCQs right away asked from financial statements of commercial organizations. So when you prepare financial statements of commercial organization, those adjustments are there now. Outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, bad debts adjustment, provision for bad debts. So that is very important. See, for bad debts, they are asking MCQ as well as a question, provision for bad debts and all those. So preparation of financial statements of commercial organization, non-profit organization, one big question definitely will come. Last time 14 marks question is there. So or they can ask 7 marks question also possible. So preparation of financial statements of non-profit organization and incomplete records. See, these 3 chapters together, minimum 25 marks they will come, 20 to 25. Last time they have asked 30 marks. See, last time is only a benchmark. I'm not saying that they will repeat same thing again, but definitely there is a possibility that these three chapters together on an average 10 marks each, 30 marks may come, or at least 25 marks. So first chapter, this chapter together, you see 40 to 45%, 40 to 45 marks. So if you prepare first chapter and these three chapter, four chapters together, they will give you around 40 to 45 marks. So very, very important. See, and that too, financial statements of commercial organizations, non-profit organizations, financial statements and incomplete records. See, first see the theory ones and then solve study material questions. That's it. Don't spend too much time by solving different questions. No need. Only study material questions is the criteria. See, if priority. If you solve study material questions, then if you feel you have surplus time, then you can see questions from other sources also and you can try to solve it. So these are the first agenda of your preparation. First, complete chapter number 1 completely. Around 20 to 25 marks will come. And these three chapters next focus: commercial organizations, non-profit organizations, financial statements of incomplete records. Prepare 100%. Not even single adjustment you should not miss. Okay. Then come to standards. See, you have around 6 accounting standards: accounting standard 1, accounting standard 12, accounting standard 16, accounting standard 11, 10, 22. See, what your approach should be. See, first complete small standards. Like for example, AS1, you can easily complete. Theory standard, but last time there is a question of 5 marks from AS1. Easily you can get it. They have asked what are the fundamental accounting principles, or what are the fundamental accounting conventions or fundamental accounting assumptions, what are the considerations for selecting an accounting policy. Like that, small questions they will ask. Even if you write headings perfectly, so approximately if you write, they will give you good marks. So AS1, first priority, complete it. Very small standard, it won't take much time. Next, AS12, AS16. Anyway, see, I'm going to give you the marathon. So in that marathon, you can cover it. So AS12, AS16, AS11. So these are the standards. See, why I'm saying first priority these standards now? I put AS10 and 22 separately because they will take a lot of time. 10 big standard. So they will ask one question, 7 marks. 12 is also standard, small standard, but they will ask 7 marks. So the time you are going to spend for 10, with the same time you can cover AS1, 12, 16. So that's why I'm saying that first priority should be small standards. Don't directly go to AS10. AS10, prepare summary. So listen to marathon class which we are going to release. So it's a lengthy accounting standard, AS10 and 22. So therefore, first focus is to finish the small and easy standards, then come to AS10 and 22. That too, AS10 and 22, only summary. No need to dwell too much deep into AS10 and 22. They are going to ask only the basics of AS10 and 22. So if you prepare accounting standards, Nana, these 6 accounting standards, around 25 marks they will get. Around 25 marks. Last time they have asked 20 marks from accounting standards. So that means 45 to 50 first 4 chapters. This is another 20. So around 70 marks covered. Now come to the easiest chapters: bills of exchange, consignment, joint venture. You know, when bills of exchange, joint venture, consignment, these are there. Very small chapters. Maximum 10 marks they can ask. So this is also a category, but definitely they will ask. Definitely one question will come. Last time bills of exchange they have asked 7 marks question. This time they may ask bills of exchange. They may ask consignment or maybe a joint venture. Last time consignment there is no question. Maybe this time they definitely ask consignment question. So prepare consignment well. See, it is not that last time they have not asked, this time they will ask. So these are all predictions will not go. See, in professional exams, nobody will predict what is going to happen. If I said something, this will definitely come. If it is not came now, so you will be, you are the losers ultimately. So my advice is, based on I'm explaining you the different possibilities. Yeah, I'm here not to predict what is going to happen. So, but I'm telling you that definitely from bills of exchange, consignment and joint venture, definitely you will see 1 7 marks question, 1 2 marks MCQ. 2 marks MCQs, two MCQs. Last time joint venture they have asked one MCQ. Bills of exchange they have asked one MCQ plus one 7 marks question. So total 11 marks they have asked. So around 10 marks these three chapters will give you. So these three chapters, very small chapters, easy chapters, you can easily cover it. So if you cover this much, these 7 chapters if you cover na, around 70 to 85%, 70 to 80 marks you covered. Remaining all chapters is bonus. So if you cover this many, these 8 chapters perfectly, definitely you see 70 to 80 marks, 80% of the 70 to 80 marks will be there. And then next, go for hire purchase. In hire purchase, don't go to that cash, what is it, debtors method, stock and debtors method. Don't do that. Only small concepts like preparation of calculation of cash price, calculation of interest in each installment, accounting for purchaser books. When there is a repossession, what is the accounting? All those things you do. See, hire purchase, department, insurance claims. Together they will give you 10 marks. So last time they have not asked departmental accounts. They have asked branch accounts. Actually, branch and departments are together one chapter, sir. Branch and departmental accounts together one chapter. If you see the study mat, actually, in fact, see, I will show you. See here. Lease accounting, branch, insurance. See, branch including departments. Hire purchase. Together 15%. This is absolute injustice here, because see, these chapters are very big chapters, and only 15% of the weightage, that means 15 marks they will come. Branch accounts, such a big chapter. So you will have inland branches, foreign branches. In inland branches, dependent branches, independent branches. In dependent branches, debtors method, stock and debtors method, final accounts method. In independent branches, different incorporation of branch books into head office books into branch, reconciliations, all those things. If you solve that much, you will get 7 marks. That too subject to departmental accounts. If they ask a question from departmental accounts, then they will ask only 2 marks MCQ from branch, or otherwise they don't ask. Or suppose, for example, they ask a question from insurance claim, hire purchase, there is high chances that they may ask only MCQ from this branch accounts. So my advice is, branch accounts, leave it, put it as C category. Only if you are very confident in all other chapters, then go for branch accounts. Otherwise, don't waste your time much on branch accounting and lease accounting also. Lease accounting, branch accounting also, don't waste our time. So last time they have asked insurance claims, they have asked hire purchase 2 marks, branch accounts 1 question, lease account 1 question they have asked. And departmental accounts they have not asked. So even if you leave lease accounting, branch accounts and hire purchase that methods you are going to lose around 15 marks. That's it. So actually the total paper is for how many marks? The total paper, actually 30 marks you have MCQs, right? MCQ. How many MCQs they will ask? 15 MCQs they will ask. Each one carry 2 marks. So 30 marks MCQs you will get. This is compulsory, 30 marks. And remaining you have 7 questions. Out of 7, you have to answer 5 questions. Each question carries 14 marks. So each question carries 14 marks. So it will be 70. So total 100. That means you have 2 questions as choice. 2 questions will be given as a choice. Okay. So our target is to focus on 80 marks or 75 to 80 marks and to get 50 plus. Easily you can score, even in spite. See, here the priority should be given to the effectiveness of preparation. It is not that how much you covered. To what extent you covered, whether you are getting able to get good marks or not. And here, if you are able to write 80% of the paper perfectly, then definitely nobody is going to stop you to get good marks. So therefore, what are the things you need to focus? See here, that's why I put it branch accounts and then lease accounting as C category chapters. Because see, to prepare these chapters, how much time I required? And if I spend this time on A category chapters or on B category chapters, I will get good marks now. Even if I spend, so much time on branch accounts, I will get maximum 7 marks. That's it. Not more than that. And that too, if they have asked a question from departmental accounts, then there won't be no question from branch accounts. That's why I said prepare departmental accounts. Why? Because see, departmental accounts, there is only one category of question. That is the main adjustment in departmental account is elimination of unrealized profit. Apart from that, there is nothing in that chapter. But as far as the branch accounts is concerned, see, branch accounts having number of topics, but the weightage is very, very less. And that too, I told you now, these four chapters together 15% weightage. So why we need to waste our time more on that chapter which is not giving good marks? Instead, I can focus on more. And I have 128 marks to answer. Out of that, I can easily skip. Out of 128, 40 marks I can skip. So therefore, I can answer 88 marks quite comfortable. Okay. So that's the idea. So departmental accounts you prepare. Insurance claims. Sir, insurance claims is a format based accounting. Just you know the steps. What are the steps to calculate insurance claim in case of loss of stock policy, loss of profit policy, and to put the numbers in that, answer will come. So insurance claims, it will not take much time. So don't skip that chapter. Very, very easy chapter. Only format based. You have to remember the format, put the numbers in that. And if you prepare these chapters, hire purchase, department insurance, very easy chapters, I'm telling, very, very easy chapters, you will get around 10 marks. And then comes the C category. Partnership accounts is C category chapter. Don't waste much time spending too much time on partnership or thinking too much about partnership accounts. Sir, why, sir? See, partnership, they will ask one big question, 14 marks question. Last time also they have asked one big question, 14 marks question they have asked. One practical question, 4 marks asked, or maybe a theory question. So, for example, Garner versus Murray, like that, they explain the concept of Garner versus Murray, like that, they may ask one question. So, one big question they will ask, 14 marks question. So, that means you have two choices, right? One choice is partnership. You can leave entire partnership as a choice. One question. Second, another 4 marks question or maybe MCQ they will ask. So we can skip it. So around 20 marks, 15 to 18 to 20 marks, you can. Last time 18 marks they have asked from partnership. So considering that, suppose around 15 to 20 marks again also they will ask. So you leave it for choice. If you have the time, you prepare it. Put it as C category. Okay, put it as C category. And don't waste too much time on partnership accounts, because if you see the partnership accounts, sir, it will have lot of concepts like admission, retirement, death, joint life policy, basic dissolution, amalgamation, conversion. These many topics are there. So C category. Branch account, C category. Lease, C category. Introduction to accounting standard, C category. So therefore, the final strategy is what? This. Finish this A category topics first. 70 to 85% of the marks will be covered. Then B category if you have a time. And then leave C category. Don't bother about C category now. So if you are prepared A category very well, I think you can answer 80% of the paper very well. Hope this will help you in your preparation. Thank you so much.